Hey Instacart shoppers, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm telling you guys about a brand new insurance company that caters specifically towards gig workers and Instacart shoppers. And when you get a free quote down below, they're gonna give you $20. So check out the link below, get a free quote and get 20 bucks. All right, how's it going everyone? Let's get started. So I'm super excited for today's video. Really, this is one of my most exciting videos that I've ever made in the past 3 years since starting the channel. I've always talked about how rideshare drivers, food delivery drivers, there needs to be an option for insurance. So many insurance companies do not offer rideshare insurance, food delivery insurance, and in most cases, if they find out you're doing Lyft, you're doing Uber, you're doing, Uber Eats, Grubhub, whatever, they're literally gonna drop you from their plan. They do not want you doing that. And we all know that Lyft insurance, gig work, DoorDash insurance, all these companies' insurance plans are horrible. You get into an accident, you try to reach out to them for help, they ain't picking up their phone. You gotta handle it yourself. It's so frustrating. So I'm literally so excited that Buckle Up is this car insurance company, and it's literally just for rideshare drivers and food delivery drivers. The only way you can sign up is if you are a rideshare driver or a food delivery driver. If you're not, you can't sign up, which honestly is great because that means that it's exclusive for gig workers, meaning that they have created this plan that is better than your normal insurance policy, because your normal insurance policy probably doesn't offer rideshare food delivery service. So if you drive for any of the apps, Uber, Instacart, Lyft, GoPuff, Grubhub, Favor, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Amazon Flex, probably leaving off some other ones, Postmates, probably leaving off some other ones too. But listen to this, Buckle Up the car insurance, there's no credit checks. So they do not check your credit. We look at your star rating instead. We feel it is a fair way to judge how you drive. They understand how it works. And I'm sure if your star rating's bad, they're probably honestly still gonna probably work with you, because we all know that passengers give bad ratings all the time just to try to get a free ride. This is the latest scam out there. Number 2 is immediate proof of service, and they even claim to have the best customer service. They claim that our customer service ranks among the industry's best, and a call to Buckle can handle all of your claims, coverage, and insurance needs. I've gotten into I haven't even gotten in accidents. People have crashed into me several times in the past year. I feel like I'm cursed or something. And every time I try to call up Geico, it's you are placed on a hold time of 1 hour and 45 minutes. And then it's if you'd like to receive a call back, press 1 or whatever, and I have a call back. And literally 3 hours later, I get a call back, and I miss the call, and then I have to restart again. And it's anyways, I'm sure Buckle Up is way better. They've been featured in the Rideshare Guy, so Harry Campbell has made a video about them. Check them out, the Motley Fool, Money, Fortune, Financial Times, Business Insider, Coverage R. So without further ado, I'm gonna watch this video and go over what Buckle Up is, just so we can get a better understanding of it.
Auto insurance can be confusing,
so here we have it.
Especially as a rideshare delivery driver. Rideshare and delivery companies expect personal insurance to cover most of the expenses of your vehicle in the event of an accident.
Which is horrible. This is exactly what I was talking about. Rideshare and delivery companies expect personal insurance to cover expenses of your vehicle in the event of an accident. And like I said before, personal insurance is not business insurance. So it's it doesn't even make sense. It's just absolute gaping, massive hole in the gig economy. And to my knowledge, I believe it's 30% of the population right now depends on either gig work or freelance work for income. Meaning that if they lost that income, they'd be negative. So it's most people, I'm sure Buckle is gonna cater to a huge population. And again, when you get a free quote, they're gonna give you 20 bucks.
Companies expect personal insurance to cover most of the expenses of your vehicle in the event of an accident. However, ordinary personal insurance does not cover rideshare or delivery unless you have a rideshare endorsement. These endorsements can be expensive and could still leave you with not enough.
Literally, that's what I look like when I get into an accident.
Or missing coverage.
Or when I hit that's what I look like when I stub my toe.
In most cases, delivery coverage isn't even offered.
Right, exactly. When you're this is how insurance companies think about it. If you're transporting people or goods in exchange for money, that's considered a commercial ride. You know, that's a business ride. So your personal insurance usually typically won't cover that. And what are you doing when you're delivering people? Delivering, you know, driving for Uber or Lyft, or delivering food? You're delivering like X in exchange for Y. You're delivering, you know, something in exchange for cash.
This means you could be responsible for paying for the repairs to your vehicle in the event of an accident.
Yeah, if you get into an accident, I'm sorry I'm pausing this, but it's a huge topic. If you get into an accident while you got somebody in your back seat, an Uber passenger, and they get injured, like, you're literally effed, bro. Like, I'm sorry, but you're most likely gonna have to pay for that out of your own pocket. Yeah, $40,000, $50,000 in medical debt to your name, because your personal insurance, they're not covering it. And well, I mean, I guess Uber might cover it, but like, I don't even know. It's just so messy. Like, it's probably gonna take you so long, so many phone calls for Uber to like actually cover the damage. And like, it's just better to have like a rideshare insurance. So I'm like so stoked. Like, I'm talking, it sounds probably like I'm mad because I'm just so angry, but like, I'm literally so stoked that there's a company like this. I'm gonna be promoting it like crazy on my channel, just because I think everybody needs to hear it.
That's why we created our Buckle Gig Auto Insurance, to ensure you have dependable coverage whether you drive for personal, rideshare, or delivery purposes, because you likely don't have adequate protection today. Most insurance carriers view gig drivers as a high risk.
Why do they do that? Because gig drivers are on the road like 10-20 times more than the average driver. It's a huge risk. You know, Joe Schmo over there who, you know, just goes to work and back, or, you know, maybe works from home, versus, you know, Johnny, who's an Uber driver driving 10 hours a day. Who do you think's more likely to be in an accident? The Uber driver.
Charging higher premiums and higher deductibles. Not Buckle. Buckle is dedicated to offering fair coverage for drivers, and we don't use your credit score to determine your rate. Buckle rates on what matters, like your driving record.
Woo!
When it comes to insurance, expertise matters. Buckle's customer service ranks among the industry's best, and a call to Buckle can
Hold up. Is she gonna give me my quote? Is this how it works?
Buckle's customer service ranks among the industry's best.
Where is that? Are they like...
Insurance expertise.
I'm sorry, this... Because don't you sign up online? Or is somebody coming to your door to do this? I'm a little confused.
Peace matters. Buckle's customer service ranks among the industry's best, and a call to Buckle can handle all your claims.
Uh-oh, she's driving and talking on the phone. Hey, I'm pretty sure that's illegal in most states. Actually, no, some states that is legal, right? I don't know. In California, that's illegal. You will get a ticket for doing that. But she does have a guitar pick in her phone case, so she is a guitar player. She's a musician. I'll give her credit for that.
Claims, coverage, and insurance needs. Why settle for an ordinary insurance company when you can have one that was created exclusively for rideshare and delivery drivers just like you? If you make money driving your car, you need
Buckle. Sign up with the link below, my friends. Woohoo! That was fun. I like that video. They're super professional looking. Like, look how legit their website looks. Like, that's the same person from that video who was on the phone, I think. But yeah, they look super legit. Like, they have a really awesome website. I was just reading through. They even have a blog site where they write articles, like, often as well. 414, 419, 426. Like, they're actually writing articles like multiple articles a week. So you can tell they have a huge dedicated team. And they even have Spanish. Habla español. Llame al 1-866-828-2553 y un agente puede ayudarle a obtener una cotización. Wow, that was really bad, but I'm trying. Okay. But yeah, let's go to the FAQ really quick, then we'll wrap the video up. But how do you get a quote? Click my link below, my friends. Don't go to that one. You get your $20. Yeah, oh yeah, by the way, let me go here really quick. If you go to my channel, the Rideshare Hub, best channel in the world, you click on one of our videos, and we're gonna put it right here, guys. So sign up for Buckle Insurance and get a free quote. And by the way, if you're watching this video, you get 20 bucks. If you're in one of these areas. Now, if you wanna only get $5, you can sign up for a membership, and that's nationwide. But Unfortunately, they're only in, I forgot to mention that, guys. They're not nationwide yet for the insurance. For their membership, though, where they have access to other perks and stuff, you can get, you get free and discounted benefits from trusted partners and major retailers, exclusive advice from industry experts, access to our industry-leading gig auto insurance, So I guess they, I don't know, I guess they still, I'm not sure what the difference is, but yeah, I'm pretty sure like the $20 is only available in these states, and then every state can get $5. So anyways, guys, check it out more for yourself, do your research. You can see, you know, get a quote, maybe it's cheaper, even maybe it's cheaper than your normal insurance. So yeah, guys, check it out down below. Thanks so much for watching. You guys are awesome. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.